Kumusta naman ang iyong mga videos? Marami ka bang viewers and supporters? Sa palagay mo ba, nanonood ang iyong mga viewers and subscribers? Kung ikaw naman ay monetized channel, sa palagay mo ba, pinapanood kaya ng mga viewers and supporters mo ang bawat ads na kanilang nakikita? Diba? Ito ang mga katanungan na pumapasok sa aking isipan. How about you? Naiisip mo ba ang mga ito? How's your worthy journey? Are you bored, annoyed, or happy? Do you meet your target views and subscribers? Do you have a legit supporters? If you are going to ask me, well, sometimes I feel upset and unhappy. Why? Being a vlogger isn't an easy task, especially if nobody cares to ask. How to avoid any feeling of discouragement, burnout, and dismay in this world full of different videos and personality? How can we survive as a vlogger? Well, create an evergreen videos because this will last forever. What is an evergreen video? Ano nga ba ang kahulugan nito? Well, para sa akin, ito po ang mga video mayroong kabuluhan, mayroong significant value, as in kahit abutin pa ng 10 years or 20 years, mahalaga pa rin ito at marami pa rin manonood. Here are my personal tips and feel free everyone to apply this one by one. Pwede niyo po itong gamitin ha. Never upload a video that is not related to your content and passion. Why? Uploading a video without a heart and dedication is like a problem without a solution, diba? Huwag po tayong basta upload lang ng upload. Ay, okay na ito. Ang mahalaga, meron akong upload for today. Oops, wag po ganyan ang mindset natin. Kailangan po mayroong significant value ang bawat video na ating ginagawa. It's a simple reminder with love and pure intention. Keep safe everyone. God bless us all.